welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 skincare products and 1 hair, actually 9 skincare products and 1 hair care product that I really wanted to love. These products had the potential. They had promises, but they broke the promises. The potential was not met and I was disappointed in them. That is what today's video is gonna be about. I am not hating on any of these brands. These brands have amazing winning products, but just the ones that I'm talking about just didn't work for me. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel already? Now let's get started. The very first product is the N's Closet Rise 3 Face Toner. Now oh my gosh guys, I was like, this is it. This is going to be my Indian substitute for the SK2 facial treatment or the Secret Key first step facial treatment, facial essence, whatever you want to call it. Because this product has fermented rice and fermented pulses and amazing, promising ingredients. And I tried it for about 3 weeks. Close to a month. Every single day I'm like, today my face is gonna feel amazing, today my skin is just gonna get that fermented rice glow, but I just never got it. After the end of a month, I was like, man, I'm wasting my time testing this product when I can move on and test something else, you know, because I always have like a huge list of products to test out. It did nothing to me, and also it was very strong in fragrance. Now I don't think they have artificial perfume in it. I think the fragrance comes from essential oils, but I think it was just way too strong. You know, there is a misconception about essential oils. Like, some people think it's amazing, some people think it's really bad and irritating for the skin. Now essential oils are amazing if you use it in the right amount. It has to be a very minute amount of essential oil for it to work. You know, my skin really reacts amazingly to fermented ingredients, but nothing happened when I used this particular product. So that's gonna be my number 1. Number 2 also sadly goes to N's Closet, guys. This is the N's Closet makeup remover. Sadly, I don't have that product with you right now, so I wish I could open it and show it to you, but it's in Kuwait. I'm in India right now, so now here is what happened. When I opened the tub of N's Closet makeup removing balm, it smelled so good that I wanted to eat it. But the problem is that something about the formula crystallized and it had sharp, flat particles in it. So when you use a makeup removing balm, you have to apply it on your skin and you have to really rub it all around your skin, and you have to really get it in your lashes, and you're getting it all on your skin. You're rubbing it in. I felt like I was cutting my skin when I was rubbing it with this particular balm, especially when I was getting it on my eyelashes. So I'm like going like this. I used it just 2 or 3 times and I'm like, no, this can't be okay. So even when I wash it off, they almost look like clear plastic pieces with jagged edges. They get stuck in my lashes and they just don't wash away. They just don't rinse away. I'm scared it will fall into my eyes and like actually harm me. So just because it was just so harsh, I just didn't like it, guys. I'm so sorry. I just didn't like it. Number 3 is the Neemli scrub. Now Neemli is a brand that I adore. I love almost every single product of theirs. I have a whole video about them. You can check it out right here. But the scrub meant for face was just not it. Was just not it. It was just too gritty. It was just too oily. It was just not emollient enough. Like, I really couldn't get it across my face. It was like rubbing sand mixed with oil on your face, basically. You know what I'm saying? So you apply it on this side and you really can't get it to this side. It's gonna crumble all over you. Your bathroom is gonna be a mess and it's not gonna give you like a satisfactory scrub. And this is something that I shared with the brand as well, and they were very receptive to my feedback. So yeah. Number 4 is the vitamin C suspended in silicone, I believe. The cream, the 30% vitamin C cream from The Ordinary. It just kept pilling on me. I just couldn't apply it on my face. I mean, when you apply like a thick, non-emollient cream, you have to apply pressure to get it across your face, right? And when you apply pressure, it just balled up on me. Like, I could never get it all over my face, and it was also a little gritty and stuff. So I mean, there are other better vitamin C products out there, just not this one. And you know, The Ordinary is a fabulous brand and I pretty much love everything from them except for this one product. I tried making it work in so many different ways, but just didn't work out, guys. It just didn't work out, so skip that product. Number 5 is the Innisfree Revitalizing Serum. When I tried this serum out, I was just so excited to try this because I love Korean products. I love everything Korean. I was looking forward to like having some revitalized magical result on my skin, but the very first time I applied it itself, there was just way too much fragrance in the serum, so I just couldn't get myself past that fragrance. I just used it probably maximum for a week, and I just couldn't apply it on my face because I'm like, what am I putting on my face day after day? Just way too much fragrance. Even if the ingredients were an amazing list of ingredients, I just couldn't put that much fragrance on my face. And also in that week's time, like, nothing happened anyways, you know. So number 6 is the Suganda BHA serum. I love Suganda, you know, I love BHA. If you want to get rid of blackheads on your face, the best way to do it is by using a BHA serum. This one, guys, I tried using it for over a month, maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months, hoping that this is gonna work, it's gonna take its time, and it's just gonna, one day I'm gonna wake up and like magically all of my blackheads will be gone. So when I try a particular product out, I stop using everything else that does the same result. So in effect, a month later, I had so many blackheads on my face that I was just like, man, my face is way too bumpy right now. I am not having it. In fact, I felt like this was giving me blackheads. Many times I stopped using it, went to my regular skincare, got rid of all the blackheads, and then I came back. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give this a fair shot, gonna try this again. Got back into this. Within 3 days, I have blackheads again. I stopped this, go back to my regular. I mean, this cycle went on. So every time I got back to this, my blackheads just returned. And I mean, the ingredient list on this is amazing. It's got 2% salicylic acid, it's got centella, and it's got green tea. Amazing, winning formula. But something about it's just not right. And I trust the team. With my whole heart, I trust the team at Suganda to fix this. I'm gonna wait for the fix. I'm gonna wait for the beta version. Let's see you then, BHA serum. Until then, let's move along. Number 7 is the Earth Rhythm Makeup Cleansing Balm, and this is the natural fruit acid AHAs containing one. I was like, wow and wow. So first of all, Earth Rhythm is like an organic brand. It's like a zero waste brand, if I'm not wrong. I mean, I think so. It comes in a metal tub and everything, and I love cleansing balms so much. Like just slapping on a cleansing balm at the end of the day and getting that makeup off, such a satisfactory feeling, right? With AHA fruit acids, I'm like, oh my god, yes, give it all to me. But I want to show you the chunk, you know, those little purpley maroony chunks that you're seeing. Those are actual fruit pieces, or some pieces in there, but they also have very sharp, jagged edges. Now the thing with physical scrub is, as long as they have even rounded edges, it's not gonna really tear your skin. Don't, like, people say a lot of things on the internet, okay, like with the whole Kylie walnut scrub, people went crazy, the micro tears on the skin and everything. What do you do when you derma roll, man? You are causing micro tears on your skin. So people get very dramatic very fast over the internet. Don't go by that. But when it is a problem is when these particles are all of different sizes and they have jagged edges. Then you're gonna get like unnecessary, unwanted level of micro tears in your skin, which can introduce bacteria into skin and cause pimples. And also when there are these sharp edges in your cleansing balm, just like the Ends Closet makeup removing balm, you get close to your lash line and basically you're scrubbing your lashes and like your eye. You don't want to be scrubbing these particles into your eye. I don't think it's very safe at all. So I mean, I hate to not love this because cleansing balm is one of my jam, you know, but just didn't work for me. And Earth Rhythm, you know, is another amazing brand, comes out with amazing, fabulous skincare products, but just this was a dud. Next up, I have the Pure by Priyanka Myoho Good Hair Day shampoo. Now I'm gonna apologize for saying this before I say this, but there was nothing good about my hair the day I used this. I've used so much and I have short hair, so I need less shampoo. What I'm trying to say is I've given it so many tries. I've tried it so many times and it just did not work. Every time I tried this shampoo, guys, my hair was just a ball, a big knotted ball. Like it was just one piece of ball. I couldn't even put my fingers through my hair because that's how knotted it was. It was dry, it was rough, it was knotted, and my hair doesn't even knot generally. You know, I don't have knotting problem with my hair. But this did that to my hair. I applied hair serum after that. I applied oil on my hair to like unknot it the days I used this shampoo, but it just didn't happen. And I know that a lot of people love this shampoo and swear by this shampoo, and that's a classic example of what needn't work for me might work for you. But let me tell you that if you have my kind of hair, really fine, bleached, color treated, this might not work for you. I don't know. Next up, I have the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Vera Gel. Now, to be fair, this aloe vera gel is a good aloe vera gel. It really works, and I love to use aloe vera gel in so many different ways. Like for example, apply it on your hair, instant frizz gone. Like I just, you know, mosquito bites, hello, life in kitchen. Apply a little bit of aloe vera gel and your itch is gone. You know, if you have any inflammation on your skin, you have acne on your skin, anything, you can use aloe vera gel as your primer, except for the fact that the amount of fragrance in it, you guys. Lakme, darlings, my family, if you are listening, if you're watching this video, stop with the fragrance. Stop it, stop it. It's okay if it doesn't smell great, as long as it works great, which this does. Stop applying so much fragrance into this product. And because of that, I don't feel like applying it all over my face. And also, I just wanna show that there is a lot of empty space in this packaging. So what you're getting is so much smaller than what you see. You could have put like a clear empty lid covering that base Lakme. I mean, come on now, you know. But anyways, those are all secondary things. Just the fragrance is my problem with the product itself. And finally, to complete the list today, guys, I have another product from Pure by Priyanka Myoho. This is the Rose Gold Gel Scrub. Now I love where the brand was going with this Rose Gold Gel Scrub. Let me just give you an aesthetically pleasing, I mean, look at that. It smells divine. It's not that annoying level of fragrance. It's got something in there. It's just a refreshing aromatherapy level of fragrance. But the problem is, guys, the same thing that I've been saying about all of those chunky cleansing balms, this scrub as well is just so sharp. Like you can literally feel it on your face, like sharp, you know, like as though you took a bark, ground it up in your kitchen and you scrubbed your face with it. It was just way too sharp for me. I'm not gonna be applying this on my face. This would work amazingly as a body scrub probably, because the skin on your body is thicker than the skin on your face and your body can take a little bit more aggressiveness, you know what I'm saying? And again, that's not to say that the whole brand is bad. You know that Pure by Priyanka has some amazing skincare and hair care products in their line. This was just not it. So that's it, guys. We have completed our list. Now it's your turn. Comment down below and let me know what are those products that you bought, putting in so much hope in it, and it just didn't work out for you. What were those products? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I shall be joining you in the conversation right there. In case you like the makeup I have on today, guys, it will be a mini tutorial will be on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in my next one. I love you.